Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the stock market prediction with the news. So let's run the project and we'll open the web page. Okay, just scroll down. This is the complete web page. This is the login page. Okay, first you have to log in, then they have to register with the credentials. Okay, if they already have account, then just click on the login button. So it will automatically log in to the home page. Okay, this is the complete home page. Now click on dashboard. It will show the please enter stock name. User can select the stock, analyze the market, delete that particular dataset files, delete the news also, like again search it from scratch. Okay, open the web page. Now enter the stock name AAPL and analyze the future button. So the model will load and search with the ticker API. Okay, it will generate the dataset .csv file. If you want to open, then just double click on it. Open it and it will give the date, open, high, low, close, adjusted value, adjusted close and volume. So this will be the complete tuples. Also it generates the news. Let's go to the news folder and double click on the AAPL underscore news .csv file. Okay, it gives the time, description, title and the URL. Let's expand. It will give the news of that particular stock, predicted price for 7 days. Okay, it shows the today APL stock data, recent trend in APL stock prices, ARIMA accuracy, LSTM model accuracy, linear regression model accuracy. This will be the sentiment analysis for AAPL news and predicted F price for 7 days. These are the word cloud analysis for AAPL. Let's click on predict the future. Click on the company stock name. Let's select for tcs.ns and predict the future. Refresh it. So it will generate one more CSV file of news. Give the time, description, title and URL. Okay, go to the dataset. It shows the tcs underscore ns dot csv. So let's click on finviz.com and open that particular page. So it opens the Finviz website which shows the complete details like news. When I click on the api.ticket.com, so it will open the web page and it shows the ID, title, URL, site, time and favicon URL and we'll give the description. Let's train on epoch. Now it will generate the graphs. These are the graphs. Sentiment analysis for tcs.ns news. It shows the LSTM model accuracy, ARIMA accuracy, recent trends in TCS NS stock price. Let's click on logout button. This is the complete web page. Let's open the code. This will be the complete code main file. This project developed using Python programming language and Django web framework is used to develop the graphical user interface. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching entire project ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. You can also explore the files which is related to that project. This is the dataset folder. These are the LSTM sentimental. Let's open the training code. This is the complete training code. Let's scroll down. Random forest confusion matrix. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.